On June 24th, the Supreme Court overturned ruling Roe v. Wade by a vote of 6-3. This had essentially caused unrest and mass protest amongst feminist and gay/lesbian groups. In fact, this ruling had prompted radical groups to threaten or to take action against pro-life organizations, vandalizing or firebombing 23 of them. Even before this ruling, the draft detailing the overturn was leaked to the public, causing feminist and gay/lesbian activists to protest outside the homes of justices, which was also leaked. Overall, the reaction of the left to the ruling was negative, as most felt the right to have an abortion was taken away by the court. But is this true, and was the court right in their ruling? Well, for starters, we can say that the court did not take away that right. In the 1973 court ruling of Roe v. Wade, the court simply granted federal protection to protect that right to an abortion. This means it was a nationwide right given to everybody protected by the government. Now, the overruling of Roe v. Wade did not set a nationwide ban, it simply removed that federal protection from that right. This meant that the right and whether to limit it or ban it would be left up to the states to decide. Today, after a few months after the overturn, abortion is still allowed in certain states such as New York, California, Maine, Vermont, Maryland, Rhode Island, etc. But was the court right in their ruling? Well, yes, they were. The court ruled in the 1973 court case of Roe v. Wade that a woman had a right to choose whether to bear a child as it affected her health and well-being. It should be noted that the Constitution was completely neglected in this ruling. However, in the 2022 overruling, the court had decided that the right to an abortion had no constitutional backing, therefore could not be federally protected, and the decision to have the right would go to the states. Now, actually looking in the Constitution itself, nowhere does it speak of a woman's right to an abortion. In fact, the only time women are exclusively mentioned is in the 19th Amendment. Quote, "The right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be abridged by the United States or by any state on account of sex." End quote. Because of this, the 10th Amendment states, quote, "The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution nor prohibited by it to the states are reserved to the states respectively or to the people." That means that individual states decide on the issue, not the federal government. So, long story short, the court did not take away the right to an abortion, and they were correct in their decision to overrule Roe v. Wade.